to design and build a universal RC vehicle steering control system that anyone can 3D print and can use with any type of RC vehicle radios. It's a little bit of a challenge, not a big challenge, a little bit of a challenge. Assalamualaikum, greetings, Ali Shanmo here. How are you people? Today in this video I'm going to bring you a very interesting project that I have been working on, and it's being printed on behind the camera on my 3D printers as we speak. Now in this video I'm going to give you all the details about this project, and I'm confident that people who are into RC vehicle hobby, they're going to find this project very attractive and interesting. So stay with me in this video and let me give you all the details of this project. Now, talking about RC vehicles, they are a whole lot of fun to drive because they are exact replicas of the real vehicle. And if you have followed me, you know my channel and my career basically started with RC vehicles. When we are talking about RC vehicles, we drive them normally with radio controllers like these, okay? And they are called pistol grip or gun controllers because, you know, they are just like gun. You are holding it and pew, 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 you know? So you have a throttle, you have a brake, and you have a steering right here. This is how we drive them. And yes, it's easy and it's fun. But imagine if you are sitting in a driver's seat, you have a steering wheel, your feet is on the throttle and brake pedal, and then you are controlling and driving these RC vehicles. That is as realistic as it can get. Oh, the car is actually pretty fast, I can tell you that. I'm coming back to the kitchen. Oh, I hit her foot, sorry. And she says, go away. All right, so we are done. And let me tell you, once you have done that, you will be hooked on that. Now, I know you're gonna say, Ali, I got it. Your project is driving these RC vehicles with the steering controls. And hey man, it is already been done. You are late to the party. Yes, I can say I'm late to the party. Yes, I know people have been doing this with PC gaming racing wheel systems or PS4 racing wheel system, and they put FPV system with the head tracker so the camera can move it left and right. Yes, I have watched those videos, but what I'm going to tell you in this video, no one tells you that, so hear me out. Yes, it is doable. You can buy a PC gaming wheel, a steering wheel system, and drive these vehicles. But do you think it's really that simple and easy that just buy a steering wheel in the market and then start driving this? You are going to be in a deep surprise. So if you're gonna go the way of PC gaming rigs like steering systems for PC racing games or PS4, consider this. One, you have to buy a steering system which is compatible to do RC driving. That means it can connect to radio controllers like this. Two, the compatibility of the radio controller. Not all of these radio controllers are actually gonna connect to your beloved steering system that you have just bought. So it has to be a specific radio. Three, the costs of the steering system, they are not cheap. Four, the cost of the compatible radio controller that you have to buy, and then the receivers that you have to buy to drive multiple RC vehicles with that radio controller. And then don't forget, the setup is not that simple as you think. You have to set your steering wheel system, and you have to specifically set all the channels and calibrate and tweak all the channels on that specific radio controller which is compatible to that steering wheel. And after you have done all this, then you are ready to drive these vehicles with your PC gaming steering system. And last but least, don't forget, you need to have a big power bank to power your steering system if you're outdoors. So lots of costs and a lot of complicated setup involved in this before you could actually do it, and that is the reason most of the people do not want to get into it, or they give it up. Now listen to this. What if you had a steering control system that can connect to any, I mean, not just Futaba, not just Fly Sky, not just some El Chipo Timur radio controller for these vehicles. I mean, any radio controller you can put in it, you can tweak it a bit, and you can start driving these with a steering wheel and pedal system. And after that, this is the most important point. The difference of feelings between, hey man, I bought this rig, versus, hey man, I built this system by my own hands. Wow, this is where the wow factor is. I mean, if you have a friend who is coming to your house and watching you drive an RC vehicle, yes, compare the feelings. Hey man, where did you buy it? Ah, man, it's a gaming PC steering system available online. Versus, dude, I built this system. Give it a try. Yes, there is a big difference between these feelings, and people like us who love DIY work, who love taking on challenges to build stuff for themselves, they are simply gonna agree with me 100 or 200% that yes, it is the feeling of I did it by myself, by my own hands. That's what matters. Now that I have your attention, I have designed a steering control system that should be universal to, use any kind of radio controller, regardless of brand. If they are, pistol grip radio controllers, you should be able to use it with them. Now, version 1 or V1 of Real Drive steering system is being printed at the moment behind the camera on my 3D printers. Let me show you the concept and let me show you the design. Previously, if you have watched my videos, I have designed a 3-person boat and I built it at home using my woodworking skills. And the steering system for that boat was 3D printed steering system using strings. Left, right, awesome.
But apart from that, everything is actually working very well. Bigger stuff like bigger splash rails.
So it was string based. So when I turned the steering control, it actually pulled the strings and turned the rudder. And guess what? This was the very wool ball right here, and this was the very wool string that I actually used on that steering system, and it was successful. I actually drove that boat with that steering control system. Check this out, check this video. So yes, and I know years have passed, and I think this woolen ball, this wool string has stayed with me for a decade or more, and I'm going to use this one once again for this project. As you can see, this is already connected to one of the 3D printed part which I was using for experiment. So experiment was successful, but now I have to print the complete steering system and try it. So imagine this. Any radio controller can be connected using stuff like this, and then using strings, right? If you can see it, using strings connected to your steering system, 3D printed steering system, turn right and turn left. Now using this, I can design a steering system which would be turn right, turn left, because as you see, it has only very little movement. But what I want is turn the steering like a real vehicle, at least 2 times, then you get the full right turn, or 3 times, then you get the full right turn. So not just right and left, but I want, yes, that's the right turn. That's the left turn. Or install a suicide knob, left turn, right turn. Man, that is going to be a lot of fun, while my right foot will be on the throttle and brake pedal. So throttle and brake pedal will also control the throttle and brake using the strings. So this steering system is gonna based on strings control connected to the steering rod and connected to the pedals, throttle and brake pedal. And that means no matter what type of radio controller you have, you can basically install in this system, connect the pieces that I have designed for throttle and brake and for the steering wheel right here, tweak the strings. Yes, we will need to tweak the strings, and then you should be able to drive these vehicles. So this is the concept of this steering system, and here's the design so far. Chamfer. Okay, chamfer's done. The pedals look good, and with a base on the pipe, they should be adjustable to move left and right as people. There you go. All the tubes are there. I didn't design that tube. Now look at that. This is screen RDSS. This is steering with the center cap RDSS with the dashboard. Nice. And with pipes, it should all be easy to combine. It looks complicated, but it's not. It is easy to build. So radio tray all is there. Now I just need one pulley on this side. Man, this looks sweet, mashallah. I can't wait to actually print this whole system. Nice, right? The RDSS is getting ready. And the best thing about it, you don't have to spend money on expensive steering control systems. You don't have to buy a specific radio control system, which is again have its own price, and you have to have another radio controller, you have to have receivers. And there is one thing I haven't described yet, and you did not think about it yet as well. Let me tell you very soon in this video. So the cost, the complication of setup, and then not every RC vehicle you can drive with it. Imagine that. So you have bought all those expensive gears and you have adjusted it, and then you decided that you want to drive one of these cheap ready to run vehicles that maybe you bought off Temu. But yeah, I bought this one on Temu. It's cheap and it is, but man, they have features that I wasn't able to actually think of, that they will have these features in these cheap vehicles. For example, this Jeep here, when you turn the steering, this steering wheel actually turns left and right. It's connected with a servo to the steering system right here. And it has a winch, a powerful winch as well. I mean, a cheap vehicle like this, But, so here is that most important point. After investing in all that expensive setup, you want to drive one of these, and these have their own radio control systems and their own built-in receivers in one board that has a ESC receiver and everything built in one board. How are you going to install a receiver, a separate receiver on that, use for your beloved expensive overly complicated steering system? How are you going to install that receiver and configure these vehicles with that? Most probably you can't without doing a whole lot of modifications to these vehicles that would require you to install a separate ESC, a separate receiver, and so on. And now let me ask you, what do you think about this idea and this project, real drive steering system for RC vehicle, which you can 3D print, build, tune, tweak, and drive any of your RC vehicle with that? Let me know in comment, and let me know if it's gonna be successful or it's gonna be a total failure. Hey, I don't care if it's gonna be a total failure, because failures are gonna teach us how to be successful. Failures have always taught me how to be successful because you don't repeat those mistakes. So let me know in video comments, what do you think about this project? If you have any feedback, any suggestions that you want me to do, I would love to hear your feedback and your ideas. I'm gonna post some short videos as well, and of course show you the progress of this project as the project goes forward step by step. Subscribe to the channel, or wherever on social media you're watching it from, subscribe to that social media, follow me on that social media, and of course share this video with more RC vehicle owners who would love to drive their RC vehicles with a real steering system. Enjoy, and let me get back to my coffee and my 3D printing.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.